If you're looking to build or upgrade your gaming rig in 2023, then you'll need the right case to house all your hardware. Choosing the right case can be a daunting task, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We've scored the market and tested out the latest and greatest to bring you our top 5 picks for the best PC cases you can buy in 2023. Whether you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly option or a full tower case with plenty of room for expansion and customization, we've got you covered. So sit back, grab a snack, and let's get started. Number 5. Phanteks. The Phanteks Eclipse G500A is a premium mid-tower case with a high-performance design and features. It has a mesh front panel for airflow and dust filtration, 4 included fans, and support for up to 360mm and 420mm radiators. The case offers flexible interior and multiple storage options, with a comprehensive front I/O. This case is a great choice for those looking for high-end cooling and style in a mid-tower case. Number 4. Fractal Design. The Fractal Design Define 7 Nano is a compact case featuring a spacious interior that can accommodate mini ITX and mini DTX motherboards. It has room for a GPU up to 306mm and supports flexible storage options. The top panel can be swapped from solid steel to filtered ventilation, and the removable top panel design allows for easy installation and cable routing. The silence-optimized construction is further enhanced by industrial sound-damp front and top and side panels, making this compact case both versatile and quiet. Number 3. Cooler Master. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700M is a top-of-the-line eATX full tower case with a highly versatile layout, graphics card mounting, and ARGB lighting. The case features an extensive cable cover system, rich connectivity, and dual curved tempered glass side panels. The C700M supports versatile liquid cooling options with a flat radiator bracket design that can be mounted on top, front, or bottom. The case is perfect for serious PC builders with its advanced I/O panel, rich connectivity options, and impressive ARGB lighting. Number 2. NZXT. The NZXT A710 is a top-notch mid-tower ATX gaming case with a sleek design and numerous features. It boasts a front I/O USB Type-C port, quick-release tempered glass panel, and a vertical GPU mount for a modern and stylish build. The smarter version has a faster microprocessor for control of RGB lighting and fan channels. The clean design and tempered glass panel showcase your stunning build, while the USB-C connector allows for easy connectivity with modern devices. Number 1. Corsair. The Corsair iCUE 5000 TRGB is the best mid-tower case you can buy in 2023. With 208 individually addressable RGB LEDs and a distinctive design, it offers stunning aesthetics. The case comes with a lighting and fan controller, and 3 RGB fans for powerful airflow. The Corsair iCUE 5000 TRGB is a must-have for anyone looking to make a statement with their PC build. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best PC cases you can buy in 2023. We hope this guide has been helpful in finding the right case for your needs and budget. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tech content. Until next time, game on!